Hi everyone, I am Samya from SS Crafts and T-shirts. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make this beautiful notepad. So easy to make. So let's get started.
Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls.
To make this, I am taking a white paper and a cardboard. The size of the cardboard is 3.7 into 3.4 inches. Now folding the paper with the cardboard like this. Now tearing the paper like this. I'm doing it with scale, but you can do it with paper cutter or a scissor. Now I'm taking the cardboard and folding the paper with the cardboard like this. By following these steps, I have cutted more papers. Now securing the papers with a paper clip and gluing them. Keep it in a side until the glue dried up. Here I am taking green colored paper. Now I am taking the white papers and folding the colored paper like this. Now I'm sticking the papers with the colored paper and it's ready. Now I'm just decorating. I'm taking a heart-shaped glitter paper and gluing it. You can use here buttons, but instead of using buttons, I'm taking ribbon and making a bow on it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you so, please give us a big thumbs up. How was the video? Comment below. And please subscribe the channel. It means a lot for us. No more today. Thanks for watching.